welcome to my channel. My name is Victoria. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Today is just going to be a short video. This is, as you can see by the title, this is just my update for you guys. I try to update you guys every Monday. As you can see by my other videos, I have started the ketogenic diet. Right now it's been about 2 months. So far I'm loving it. So far I don't find such a huge difference in the food I'm eating. So far guys, I have lost 20 pounds. I'm so excited about that. I know that it's not a lot to lose, but I'm extremely happy about it. I know there's some people that are like, oh, well, it's 20 pounds. But 20 pounds is great. I feel so much better physically. So I'm loving this weight loss. Guys, if you watch my previous videos, you can see that I said already that I have 100 plus pounds to lose. So you won't see the weight loss so much right now, but I'm seeing it in my clothes. My clothes are feeling looser. It's amazing. Anyways, my goal weight is 120 pounds. My starting weight was 248. Right now I'm sitting at 228, which is a 20-pound difference. I'm super excited about that. So that means I just have 100 pounds to lose. If you guys want to follow my weight loss journey, please subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Maybe you're going through the same weight loss journey. Maybe you need some encouragement. Guys, let's encourage each other. I'm happy I lost the weight so far, and I do need to lose a lot more, but I am excited to do so. This pizza chicken, as you guys can see in the description box, it is high in protein. High in protein is okay. Just when you're following the ketogenic diet, you want your fat to be higher than your protein. So throughout this day, I have been watching my macros as I always do. My dinner will have high protein, but the rest of the food I'm eating today will have a high fat. So you guys always want to balance that ratio out and watch those macros.